on the northern part of Santa Cruz this morning. We're at the visitor site known as Cerro Dragon, Dragon Hill. And it was actually living in the neighbor island of the airport, Baltimore. What is nice here is how close we are to the shoreline. The Sally Lightfoot crabs are adding color to this dark landscape of lava. And this is a good area to see how crabs are molting. There are many shells found along the coast, and they molt when they have to grow. They have a hard skin, and because they cannot expand this hard skin, they have to create a foam. This foam is going to release the old skin from the new soft one, and then they open from the back, and the animal is sliding out. It's empty.
It's been really good to see the kids off their devices, out in the rain, looking at different animals, engaging, snorkeling. Fantastic. It's just a fantastic place to visit. If you like wildlife, if you just like getting out and seeing beautiful things, this is a place to come.